Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Saldiva, and we're going to read a new story. It's called Sid Can Dig. The words we need to learn for this story are ig, dig, k, id, kid, h, is, his, t, in, tin, f, ig, fig. Let's get started, okay? My dog is Sid. Sid can dig. He will dig and dig and dig. Sid got a fig. Look at him with the fig. He can put the fig in a tin. The tin has a lid. The pig will not get the fig. The tin has a lid. Here comes a kid and his dad. Will the kid get the fig? Will the kid get the fig from the tin with the lid? Okay, now let's answer some questions. What did Sid find on his dig? Next question. Where did Sid hide the fig? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.